Off the western coast of Sumatra, in the heart of Indonesia's archipelago, lies a secluded paradise, the Mentawai Islands. Shrouded in mist and mystery, these islands have nurtured a unique ecosystem for millennia. Among its rare inhabitants is one of the least known primates of the world, the Mentawai Langur. The Mentawai Langur, also known as the Mentawai leaf monkey, is found only on these isolated islands. Evolving in near-total isolation, this primate has adapted perfectly to life in the dense rainforests where it feeds on a diet rich in leaves, seeds, and fruits. But these forests are not just their homes, they are their sanctuary. At first glance, the Mentawai Langur may appear unremarkable, blending into its verdant surroundings. But look closer and you'll notice their distinctive features. With their sleek black fur and white markings on the chest and face, they cut an elegant figure among the trees. Their long limbs and tail are perfectly suited for life in the canopy, allowing them to leap gracefully from branch to branch, a vital skill for navigating the high forest floors. Their large eyes, wide and expressive, help them spot both predators and food in the low light of the dense forest. While small in size, with males averaging around 55 centimeters in body length and females slightly smaller, their ability to move swiftly through the treetops offers them a significant advantage in avoiding threats from the ground. A fascinating aspect of the Mentawai Langur is their remarkable dexterity. Their hands are highly specialized for grasping and climbing, with opposable thumbs that allow them to delicately maneuver through the dense canopy. With long, powerful limbs and an agile body, they can leap up to 6 meters between trees. This allows them to navigate the high canopy with remarkable ease, where they spend nearly all of their lives. These primates live in tightly bonded social units that revolve around family ties. A typical group is composed of a dominant male, several females, and their offspring, a structure that ensures the group's stability and protection. The dominant male plays a crucial role in the group. He is the protector, defending his family from potential threats both from predators and rival males. He also controls access to resources, making decisions about where the group will travel and forage. Grooming is one of the most important social activities, not just for hygiene, but for reinforcing bonds between individuals. Through grooming, females strengthen alliances, reduce tension, and maintain social harmony within the group. These close-knit relationships also ensure that, in times of danger, the group stays cohesive. Young langurs, curious and energetic, spend their early years learning through play. This playful behavior is not only for entertainment but a critical part of their development. Through wrestling, chasing, and mimicry, young langurs practice vital survival skills, climbing, jumping, and foraging, while also learning the social dynamics of the group. Motherhood is a cornerstone of Mentawai Langur society. Newborns are nurtured with great care, and interestingly, it's not just the biological mother who looks after the young. In some cases, other females, including older siblings or aunts, may participate in helping to care for the infants, a behavior known as almothering. The Mentawai Langur is primarily follivorous, but they are not indiscriminate eaters. They are selective, choosing leaves that are young, tender, and rich in nutrients. They also eat seeds, fruits, and flowers, but their digestive system is uniquely adapted to break down fibrous plant material, thanks to their complex, multi-chambered stomach, similar to that of ruminants like cows. The Mentawai Langur is classified as endangered, and the reason is clear: habitat destruction. Illegal logging, palm oil plantations, and deforestation are rapidly shrinking the pristine rainforests that these langurs call home. Their habitat is disappearing, and with it, their chances of survival. But hope is not lost. Conservation efforts, led by local and international groups, are fighting to protect the Mentawai Langur's habitat. Reforestation projects and community education are empowering local populations to become stewards of their forests. Every new tree planted is a step towards ensuring the langur's survival. For now, they remain a hidden gem in the heart of the Mentawai, waiting to be rediscovered by a world that holds the key to their survival.